Hi guys, hope everybody's doing well, keeping safe and being good to yourself. Just wanted to show you guys what I was having for dinner today. Just made some beef stew with some okra. So as you can see, the green is the okra. I love okra, so um, I just seasoned the beef for about 24 hours. Simple tomatoes, scallion, thyme, pepper, green pepper, red pepper, onions, um, some seasoned salt, black pepper. You can season it any way you want. So I had it marinated for 24 hours, and it took probably, I'm gonna actually say this kind of beef, it took a while, maybe about an hour and a half. I did not use a pressure cooker. I just cooked it on the stovetop, and I just added my favorite okra, and there's some carrots in there. I will be eating it with some fufu. I do get tired of rice, pasta, bread, so this looks like it is cassava fufu. Lots of different kind of fufu. Plantain, yam. I usually do the yam fufu, but I'm going to be trying the cassava. So yeah, this is what I'm having for supper tonight. Comment below, let me know if you're going to try it. But this is my beef stew with some okra. Okay guys, I will talk to you guys soon. Have a blessed day.